How does the metal composition affect a wheat penny's value? Have you ever wondered why some wheat pennies are worth more than others? The answer lies in their metal composition. Wheat pennies, produced from 1909 to 1958, were primarily made from a bronze alloy. This alloy consists of about 95% copper and 5% zinc and tin. This high copper content gives these coins their distinctive reddish-brown color and weight, making them appealing to collectors. In 1943, things changed due to wartime copper shortages. The United States Mint produced wheat pennies using zinc-coated steel instead of the usual bronze. These 1943 steel pennies have a unique silver-gray color. However, this steel composition makes them more susceptible to rust, which can impact their condition and value. Because of their distinct look and limited production year, 1943 steel pennies have a different appeal to collectors compared to the typical bronze wheat pennies. Now, let's talk about rare errors. A few wheat pennies were mistakenly struck in bronze during 1943 instead of steel. These rare 1943 bronze pennies are highly sought after and can fetch very high prices at auctions. Similarly, a rare 1944 steel penny, produced in error after the mint returned to bronze, is considered one of the most valuable wheat pennies. After 1946, the composition shifted slightly to brass, which is still 95% copper but with 5% zinc. This change affects the coin's appearance and durability but does not significantly impact their value unless tied to rarity. So, how does the metal composition affect a wheat penny's value? First, the high copper content in most wheat pennies contributes to their desirability and intrinsic metal value. Second, the steel composition of 1943 pennies makes them distinct and collectible, though they are more prone to corrosion. Third, rare error coins, like the 1943 bronze or 1944 steel pennies, can be extremely valuable. Lastly, minor shifts in alloy composition influence the coin's appearance but generally do not impact value as dramatically as the wartime steel pennies or error coins. Understanding the metal composition of wheat pennies helps collectors identify authentic coins and assess their condition. Collectors often seek coins with original metal luster and minimal corrosion, making the metal makeup a key factor in grading and pricing wheat pennies.